Guys, so while we're taking a mini break, I know I just hit the record button, but look how bad this is when you take the Tarte's new foundation and concealer off. It like peels my face, and I don't know what it is. I know this is not my typical tutorial right now, and whenever I take this off, my lips look so bad, so I don't think I could reuse this. Like, I am going to keep using it since I just did buy it. It's just, I don't know what to do. So while we're in the middle of taking my whole entire face off, hi. How are you? I hope we're all good. So if you haven't noticed, I don't touch my drugs or stuff right now because I've been using high-end a lot. And I personally only am liking my high-end stuff more. It's just, there's some high-end stuff that I'm not liking. For instance, is this foundation. It does match me good. It's just, it's a pain to come off. And that's why I never wear foundations. I never wear concealers. I normally just do to brighten up my under circles and stuff. To this one, legit separates, like, as you can see, it's like really separated all over my face. And I think after I'm done filming this video, I think I'm gonna have it on my computer and stuff. Because there's like nothing to do. You know, I really don't want to go swimming. So I guess this could be a whole get ready with me slash chit chat slash my St. Patty's Day tutorial. Even though I did not have that highlighted with us. Okay. I think we're looking better now. Okay. So hi guys. I know what you saw was the raw life edit and footage of me taking my face off. So there is some hates and misses right now. Right off to the bat. I do like this concealer, don't get me wrong. It's just a pain to take off. Like that, and the foundation is a pain to take off. It's a pain, anything. Look what it did to my, like, this is disgusting. Okay. So we're not using this. I would, but I'm not. I think I used 2 shades in here. I don't know if I used anything from the other palette, to be honest. But we're gonna hop back in. Oh wait, I think I did. Alright, now I remembered. I think I remembered. Okay. Eek. I'm looking at all my brushes and they're disgusting. Okay. Okay, so let's hop back in. So I'm taking the shade Terra. I'm using my modern palette because it's more head down. Even though my shade looks really fucked up. Okay. So we applied Tempera yet again. Alright, so I think we're going to start with the halo. I don't know if I did that in the other tutorial. or when I did this tutorial, but I did not film it, so we're gonna start right in the center of my eyeball. So it's like I'm painting my eyelash. It's great. Okay. So I'm taking Primavera. I even got it on there. And then Premiere right on top. Because I'm going to start this whole eye off using both shimmer shades just to get to the right shade I need. So I'm going to go grab Glistening. And then Fairy. I want that intense glow on the lid. So we're going to repeat on the side real quick. Ooh, that does not look centered. Okay, I think we're centered now. I keep getting concealer all over the place. Okay. Alright, I know. This is getting messy already. Okay. So I am going back and forth. I know, I told you guys. It's just because of these shimmer shades. They're so good. And I always use them. Okay. I'm going to clean up real quick under the knees with the waist. Okay. I think I'm going to use this brush real quick. Just to blush my spine bud. Just grab Tapera right on the edge. Get her in there. Look at her where you started the whole look. Because I'm trying to remember how I did this look. I don't know how I'm doing this when I have no brushes. Okay. So I'm taking orange soda. Okay. So I'm going to work her in the outer half. I think I remember how I did this. So I didn't use tape. I remember that. Okay. So take the smaller one because I know I used Dusty. I'm just gonna take this giant one just to clean everything up. Okay. Alright, when I'm done, I know I gotta work on the other. So let me just get it out. It's in the frame. Okay, so it was orange soda. Can you see how I've been doing this without tape this whole time? And I'm looking at my cup right here, guys. Oh my god. It's legit dirty. And I'm wrapping a tutorial. This one's like the shortest tutorial. Because this one was not like the other one. I just wanted to test out that foundation yet again. Okay. Now someone just walked into my bathroom. Like, really? You could have asked me. Okay. Yeah, and I don't have another brush. Alright. Because I was gonna go right in the bathroom after this because I'm not feeling good. That's why I'm wrapping this video up. Okay. I just re-rolled to that brush. Guys, you already see how intense it is on face without foundation. Bam. 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 Okay. This is like the first time I'm actually going crazy with it because I love this. This is my favorite highlighter right now by far. I'm just gonna use a beauty blender because I have nothing else to blend. So I'm just gonna blend her in. Okay, and then we're going with my classic nude. Guarantee. Guys, I'm glowy. Bye. Does anyone need to be done using my bathroom? I need to go poop. I know I'm doing TMI, but I really don't feel good. Ugh. Okay, so this is my the same Patty say wear / the highlight is just new. It's just I'm testing. Oh my god. I'm blue. Okay, I'm gonna end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.